friends, today I welcome you to my channel. So this is the fourth episode of this channel. Today I will tell you how to make a paper piano. So the material we would use is a square sheet, a black sketch pen, a black pen, fabric and a ruler. So let's get started. Friends, first we will fold this square sheet like this and make a line here and then open it and then do like this. And do the same on the other side. Now open this and then friends fold it like this. And now do like this till this line. Now open it and do like this. Till the middle line. And do the same like on the other side. Now you have to make the keyboard keys here. With the help of fabric, open the keys and stick like this. Do it like this and hold it like this to make the walls of the piano. And then do it like this and stick the sides with the fabric. So friends, our piano is ready. So friends, if you like this paper piano, then like and share my video, and for more videos, subscribe to my channel.